Attorney General Hector Balderas says his team has won a battle in helping solve a multi-generational problem, the opioid crisis. Now, it also means legislators will be getting some money to help fight it. News 13's Marilyn Upchurch is here with details.
For more than 6 years, the Attorney General has gone after Big Pharma for their role in New Mexico's opioid crisis. This week, Balderas went before legislators to update them on just how much money the state will see from these lawsuits and settlements. As his term comes to an end, he hopes the money will be used wisely for years to come.
This is money that needs to be planned by the executive and by the legislative bodies.
At the Legislative Health and Human Services Committee meeting on Tuesday, Attorney General Hector Balderas asks legislators if they are ready to use upcoming money correctly.
So in some ways, I bring you good news that we brought some dollars out of the sky because I took a fist fight to the courts, and we historically held the entire supply chain accountable. 15 to 16 companies I sued 5 years ago, not just the manufacturers of opiate pills, but the marketers and the distributors.
He says he settled with 4 large companies who have contributed to the crisis. The state will be receiving $32 million from those cases, and there are still other cases pending.
We also settled with 3 more companies where $163 million will be payable over 18 years. So you have wonderful opportunity to leverage those dollars with either state dollars or local dollars.
He says he's done his part, and now legislators must do theirs. He hopes legislators will use the nearly $200 million in an impactful way, like investing in long-term abatement and treatment programs. It's all been a part of a fight since 2017 when the state filed a lawsuit against some of the biggest names, including Walmart, Walgreens, and Kroger. But now he questions if the state is ready for what his team fought for.
And I got to tell you, as a colleague, former colleague in the House, I don't know if we're ready. I guess that's the next question I'm raising here is, do we have the infrastructure ready to go where we just need to pump resources into it?
The AG told legislators to put on their seatbelts because they are still settling with many other companies and expect even more money. New Mexico will also receive money from a $5 billion nationwide opioid settlement with Johnson & Johnson. Back to you.
Okay, Marilyn, legislators shared they may want to put the money in a trust fund to give them more time to use the money thoughtfully. They also said some of the money could go to local governments for years to come, while the remaining would go to those abatement programs. The AG also mentions he believes there needs to be a change in policy to hold these companies accountable.